Hello, welcome everybody to this meditation to ignite your radiant energy. In the great tradition of yoga, we would say radiance and radiant energy is actually your natural state. We're meant to be abundant in joy, abundant in peace, abundant in love and gratitude, abundant in breath. In this short meditation, we'll take a look about how to dive into some of those topics, and we're excited to see where the adventure goes. So find yourself in a comfortable seat. That can be on the floor, that can be in a chair, and we'll start off our adventure today by practicing something I call seaweed. So seaweed is just, you're a piece of seaweed, and you're rooted into the ground at the base of the ocean, and you're swaying back and forth as the water just naturally moves you. And every cell of your body is open to receive the sunlight, the nutrients from all around you. And you're totally open to see what's happening right now. And as you sway around and move around as this beautiful seaweed at the bottom of the ocean, then slowly find that center point. Imagine that you're reaching up towards the sunlight. You're drawing the chin gently back so that the spine is nice and long, lifting naturally up through the spine and finding this beautiful, balanced, harmonious center point where you're gently lifted up towards the light. And just take a moment to arrive here. And then we'll dive into a deeper ocean, the ocean of the breath. So long, slow, deep breaths, as long and slow as you can. If you know ujjayi breath, this sound of the ocean, you can add it. Otherwise, just nice, long, slow, deep breaths. Deep breaths profoundly energize us. Really feel every little muscle associated with the breath. Feel how the inhalation gently elongates the spine. And the exhalation just adds to the sense of groundedness, to being present in the present moment. A few more deep breaths. And one last breath. Make this the deepest one so far. And as you finish out the exhale, just land in the sense of being fully present in the present moment. Let the breath relax into a natural and normal rhythm. Still with this sense of profound openness to whatever arises here in this moment. With a sense of wonder and joy that's just present naturally in our heart. And we all know on some intuitive level that when we're truly expressing love and in love, our radiance begins to shine even brighter. So let's take a moment just to feel the deep, profound love of our heart. Choose something that you really love in this world. It can be a person, it can be a situation, it can be your job, it can be your health, it can be fresh food and water, it can be the stars, it can be the sunset, it can be anything that you truly, truly love, and hold it up in your mind's eye. And then just really feel into the depth of your love. And if you have the courage, let it expand out of your heart and into the cells of your body, like every cell of your body is naturally expressing this beautiful sense of love. Really keep totally present with that object of your love and the feeling of how that's expressing in you. And then let's just take a step back and see that the source of that love is you. Your body, your heart, your spirit is what's expressing that love. Just take a moment and arrive in that. Not that there's any object of love, but that there's a natural outpouring of love or an inpouring of love. Be love. Feel the source of that. And we'll spend the last few minutes of this meditation just silently present with that profound sense. Be love. It's so powerful when we give ourselves permission to authentically be what we truly are. I thank you from my heart for taking the journey into your own radiance. I offer the prayer and the intention out into the world that our own natural radiance becomes contagious again, that the spirit of joy, love, gratitude, health, wisdom, vitality, peace begin to make its way back into the human kingdom by people discovering one by one the power of their own heart and their own authenticity. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll see you again soon, I hope. Namaste.